We don't do boring here, especially when it comes to banana bread. That's why this one is loaded with chocolate, making it the perfect breakfast, snack, dessert. You could literally eat it any time of the day and it always feels appropriate. The key is to start with 3 very ripe bananas. When they're brown on the outside, they're perfect. I like to start by mashing up my bananas and setting the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it's time to whisk together flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and set it aside. Mix the bananas with melted butter and applesauce or oil, brown sugar, egg, vanilla extract, and mix that all together until smooth. Slowly add in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and be careful not to overmix, but integrate all the ingredients together. The chocolate banana bread batter is going to go into a loaf pan. You want to line it with parchment paper and spray it with some oil or butter. Add the batter in there, and then you're going to pop the banana bread into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it takes about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to cook. And you need to make sure if you poke a toothpick in it that the toothpick comes out clean. Another thing I find helpful to make sure this is always cooked properly is that when the banana bread comes out of the oven, it's going to be really hard, but don't take it out of the loaf pan for at least a half hour. Sometimes I'll let it even sit in there overnight, and this just ensures that it's cooked all the way through. You're going to love the chocolatey, rich taste of this chocolate banana bread recipe. I served it for dessert with some dulce de leche, ice cream, and a raspberry, and some powdered sugar on top. It was so tasty. My family loved it. Don't forget to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list to get all these easy recipes delivered to you once a week. And you can always print this recipe at Sip Bite Go. Now, if you're looking for another tasty banana bread recipe to cook, you have to try my apple cinnamon banana bread. It is so tasty.